Thanks for stopping by my channel. Here's the shop foreman, and his name is Molly. This is Marmalade. He is the CNC supervisor of operations. So my small garage focus is on 3D printing, MIG welding, fabrication, CNC machining, and some minor automotive projects. I can never seem to find them working at their desk. This is Marshmallow, aka Little One, and she is the welding supervisor. She's definitely the brains of the operation. This is Little One taking a break. She tells me supervising is exhausting for her. Oh, good old Fred, pesky Fred shows up. Good old Fred, he shows up to work when he feels like it. Beer bottle Fred loves the bird feed. Fred's a good guy, but he likes to argue with the supervisors a lot though, that's for sure. And the clown horn right on cue. So the shop is run by me and the 3 supervisors and Fred. Fred when he shows up. In the future I'll get into metal casting, maybe specifically zinc metal spin casting of parts that maybe I'll sell on eBay someday. Thanks again for stopping by.